IT class, and today we are going to start our spreadsheet practicals. First of all, let's open the software and let's come to learn what spreadsheet is. We are going to open with the help of run command. The shortcut is window plus R, and in the search box we are going to type Excel. Press OK, and here we have spreadsheet worksheet. What spreadsheet is? Spreadsheet is an application program that is used to manipulate the data, to store the data, and to retrieve the data. Like in our stationery store, in our schools, we use spreadsheet to store the data and to easily manipulate that. Like in case of schools, we enter the students' data, their exam records, their personal details in a spreadsheet. Okay, so this is the software that helps us to store data easily, and that relieves us from our manual work of registers. Okay, so we are going to learn the basics of our Excel worksheet. This is a worksheet in which by default we have 3 sheets, sheet 1, 2 and 3, and as per requirement we can add on the various sheets. As you can see in the open window, we have title bar at the top, and then we have different menus like home tab, insert tab, page layout, formulas, data, review and view tab. These are the various tabs that are used to manipulate and create a worksheet data. Next we have formatting toolbar, and under that we have name box that displays the address of our active cell. Like you can say this is A1, which is displayed in the name box, and by the side of that we have formula bar. Formula bar क्या करेगा? It displays the content of our active cell. Like in our A1 we type, you can see it is displayed in the formula bar as it is. Okay. Next, what are rows and columns on which we work in our worksheet? Rows क्या हैं आपके? Horizontal expansion of cells. And what are columns? Columns are the vertical expansion of cells. And cell is the intersection of a row and a column. And what is the active cell? Active cell is the one in which we are currently working. Like if we click here, then G5. This is the address of the cell, and you can see the dark boundary around this cell. This is our current active cell. Okay, so how we are going to work in our spreadsheet? First of all, let's create any student record. Okay, suppose we want to create it as a title. Next we have serial number, and in the name, next we have name, next we have roll number. In the next column we are going to type the class, and next we have section. Okay, so we are going to create a student record in which we are going to type serial number, name, roll number, class and section. So we want to make student record as title of our, so we can, if we want to make it up to this, we can use margin center so that it can appear in the center. Likewise, we can change its font pattern. Like from here we can choose various font faces. We can make it bold, underline, or whatever formatting we want to apply on our font. Okay, next we have, okay, from here we can also apply separate borders on our blocks. From here, as you can see, student record is having a all around border. In the next we are going to type a serial number like 1, 2. But if we type all the serial numbers manually, then there is no use of using any software. It's same as register work. So in this, either we are going to select the two cells and drag the fill handle. What is this? This is a fill handle. You can see the plus sign here. This is called fill handle. This way also you can see there is a series of numbers 1 to 15. And another method for this is drag only a single number. You can see all the time it is shown as 2. And in this autofill options, you have fill series. Now also you can see there is a series of serial number. Okay, you can see the serial number from 1 to 15. But it is aligned to our right side of the cell, but we want it to appear in the middle of our cell. Then what we'll do? Select all the cells on which you have to work or you have to apply and choose the center alignment. Here you have various alignment options like left align, center and right align. From here you can choose the alignment option whichever you want to apply. Now in all the selected cells, the content will appear in the center of our cell. Okay. From here you can type the any text, whatever you want, whatever the names of the students. Same way you, if the roll numbers are in the series, then you can again use your fill handle and it will be easily filled. You can see in a single click you have typed the roll number that are in a particular series. Same way you can simply type the class, and if you have to type the same class, then write only once and drag the content of the cell. It will be copied to all the cells. Okay, so this way we can easily work in our spreadsheet. Next we have various text formatting options which we can apply in our center. We can also resize our size of rows and columns. Okay, like this is the row number and this is the column name. Columns are named after letters and rows are numbered after digits like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a series pattern. Okay. And what is the address? Address is first column name, then row number. If you want to resize the size of any row or column, you can directly, like you can see this is four-sided arrow at the boundary of two rows. Simply drag that row and you can see the row is resized. Same way you can resize the columns, or we can resize simply by double clicking on this if our text is not adjusted in the particular size. Okay, this is the way to resize the rows and columns width, like row height and column width. Okay, next you can fill your rows with a particular color, like you can see here. You can choose any color on the title. You can choose particular cells to color, and from here you can choose the text color. Okay, so the selected text is changed its color. So this way you can apply various formatting options in Excel also to change the lookout of our cells. Like in class column, you can change the color of your column. Okay, so this way you can see that all the class cells are colored after sea green. So this way we can work in our spreadsheet. In the next series, we will work upon auto sum and conditional formatting. Thank you, class.